Here's how to edit a route in Zora. Open the Tools panel from the menu button on the right, select the Nav tab, and open the routes list. You can open the edit form two ways. Long press a route directly in the list, or tap the route to display it on the chart and pick Edit Route from the More menu. The form has three tabs. The Data tab is where you change the departure name, destination, and description. The Organize tab lets you reassign the folder, edit tags, or change the country. The Info tab is reserved for future features. Nothing to do there yet. Tap Save to apply your changes. To move a route point on the chart, first tap the route in the list to display it. Then tap the Edit button in the top bar to switch the route into edit mode. This step matters. Outside edit mode, tapping a route point picks it as the start point for navigation. Inside edit mode, tapping a route point lets you reposition it. In edit mode, tap the route point you want to move. A blue ring appears around it. Pan the map and the chart slides underneath the ring. The route point follows your finger. It snaps to nearby waypoints or to your boat's position for precise placement. Tap anywhere outside the route point to confirm the new position. One tip: it's good practice to set your zoom level before you tap the route point, so you have the right detail to position it accurately. You can also add new route points while in edit mode. To insert a route point between two existing ones, long press on the route track. The track turns blue when your touch snaps to it, and a new route point appears at that position, splitting the leg into two. To extend the route at the end, long press anywhere on the chart with no route point selected. The new point is added after the last route point. You can also delete a route point. Tap it so it turns blue, then tap the trash icon below the top bar. Just that route point is removed. If no route point is selected when you tap the trash icon, Zora deletes the whole route at once. Made a mistake? Tap the left arrow below the top bar to undo, or the right arrow to redo. Zora keeps the last 10 edits in memory, so you can step back and forward freely. When you're done, you have two ways to exit edit mode. The red Cancel button on the left discards everything you changed since entering edit mode. The green Save button on the right keeps all your changes. Once you tap Save, the route returns to display mode, and that's where the More menu lives. Open the More menu, the three dots on the displayed route. Reverse route swaps the direction so departure becomes destination and the route point order flips. Edit Settings opens the route settings. You can set notification timing, how many minutes before you reach a route point Zora alerts you, separately for each navigation state. Sailing usually needs the longest lead time, so you can prepare your sails for the course change. Motor sailing is in between. Motoring can be the shortest, since the boat changes course quickly under engine. Below that, you set the cross-track corridor, how far you can drift from the route line before Zora alerts you. If you're motoring with an autopilot, you can let Zora send corrections to keep you exactly on the line. The last setting is the speed source for ETA calculations, your actual average speed over ground, or a fixed manual speed for planning. Settings update automatically as you change them. Just close the dialog when you're done. To delete a route, open the More menu again and pick Delete. Zora asks you to confirm before removing it. Plan voyage and weather routing. Each get their own video, their whole topics on their own. That's it.